Hey DanishTuber, welcome to this super quick tutorial on how to use discussions. I'm inside here looking at the Essential Danish Grammar video course, Module 3, Video 1, Adjective Endings and Comparison. And let's say that there's something in the video I'm not quite understanding, or I want to ask a question. So here at the top, you will see a little sun icon, and this is where you can change from dark mode or light mode. And next to that is discussions. Very simply, have any question, you can add a little comment here. You can see I've already added one. That was me, Bob, writing to Liam. I didn't completely understand when to use the E form. Can you help me? So I will, of course, receive this comment in the back end and be able to get back to you. So this is a super easy and practical way that you can ask questions while learning on DanishTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.